What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today I have a very interesting video for you guys. We are going to be spraying a fender with the world's smallest and lightest Hvlp electric spray gun. Let me introduce you guys to the Tilswall Hornet. Alright guys, so this is the Tilswall Hornet, a very interesting prototype gun. This thing is tiny, but I mean for a touch-up gun or to paint something like a fender, I think it'll be very interesting. Let's turn this thing on real quick and let's hear how it sounds. So you hold the power button and you squeeze the trigger. That is pretty neat, but this whole kit actually comes with quite a bit of stuff, guys. It comes with the charger, it comes with a paint cup with a little velocity strainer and some tape and alcohol wipes and paint mask and gloves and even some really cool stencils we can try out. Give us some good ideas, and we can really make it, hey, this Batman, really make it our own. So let's get this thing ready and let's try it out. Now, Tilswall also includes their own brand of peelable paint that you can use to create all different effects and stuff like that with their stencils and everything else. So, go wild with it, guys. Alright guys, so before we paint, let's disassemble this Tilswall Hornet and let's see the inner workings of it and how it all goes together. It's very lightweight, guys, something you can definitely throw around. It reminds me of like a little Star Trek gun or something, but anyways, you push the little tab right here. That allows you to pull the battery pack out, and then you can plug it up and charge it with the included charger adapter, and then when you're ready to go, you just pop it back in. Pretty easy. The hopper unit on it, it unscrews. Pretty simple. If you've ever played with any other electric spray gun, this is pretty much like a small version of one. So the hopper cup goes off, the siphon tube adapter right here kind of just pulls out, and then you got a little foam gasket. Like I said, if you've ever messed with electric spray guns, you know this little foam gasket that seals everything up, and then you just flush it out, clean it really good. You pop that foam gasket back in, push your tube back on, and then screw your little hopper piece back on. And just make sure you get it in there the right way so it's not cross-threaded. As far as the tip section goes, you can loosen this and you can turn this tip. So if you want to spray vertical or horizontal, you can do either one. And as far as disassembly goes, you got this little ring right here. It unscrews. Then your main little fogger tip section comes off, and then your main tip comes off, and it's actually a metal trigger tip right here, guys. And there's no real adjustment on it. What you see is what you get, so we're going to find out in a minute how the spray pattern is on this thing. And as far as reassembly goes, just set your tip back in here. It's got a little groove, so it only goes in one way. And then your directional fogger, and then your cap that locks everything into place screws back on. And like I said, it's pretty simple, pretty small, easy cleaning, just a really cool small unit spray gun that you can use for touch-up jobs, or you know, or just small projects, or doing your projects in sections. So, all right, that's the breakdown of the Tilswall Hornet. And now let's mix up some paint with it and let's have some fun. Make sure you charge it up really good ahead of time, guys. That way you don't run into any issues. Alright guys, now that we've shown the ins and outs of this Tilswall Hornet and got the battery charged up real good, let's do a really cool Rust-Oleum spray out. I'm going to mix up some matte black Rust-Oleum. We're going to shoot an eye candy pearl over it and some clear and really test the limits of this Tilswall Hornet. So let's get into it. So to thoroughly take this thing apart and clean it, there's multiple parts, and I'm going to show you guys how to put it back together. Alright guys, so this unit comes apart big time. There's a little O-ring that sits down in here, and I don't think it's really primarily meant to come off. The easiest way to do it is to put it right there on the back side of that little piece and slide it back in there, and that seats the whole unit and keeps it sealed. That way it doesn't dump air back here. Then you got a second O-ring that sits right here where the tip section goes. Then you got your primary tip. It's got a little notch down here in the bottom of the gun, so you just slide it on. It'll sit back in there. Then you got your fan disbursement that sits in there, has a little groove as well. That way you can rotate it. Then you got your locking cap. You put your locking cap back on. That secures everything. Then you got this little cover back here. This is, I guess, so maybe later on down the line they can design a filter or whatever. And then your battery pack. Put it all back in, hit your power button, and you're ready to spray again. Alright, let's shoot some clear coat. Guys, so today we got to see what all the buzz was about with the Tilswall Hornet, the world's smallest and lightest electric HVLP spray gun. And I gotta say, this little thing was an absolute trip to play with. I mean, it was just so light, and as good as it spits out paint and does with everything as small as it is and compact, shout out to Tilswall for going outside the box and trying to create a really cool and unique product, and this definitely is. Normally this gun comes with, I think, 2 batteries. It lasts about 45 minutes on a battery, and it comes with 2 different tips, an 0.5, 0.8. I got one of the guns that they were sending around to different creators, so by the time I got it, I don't know how many people have played with it. It had a little bit of paint on it, so had to do some thorough cleaning with it, and I think it came with the smaller of the 2 tips, so, you know, it took me a lot of playing with it and adjusting just to get a, you know, really good finish out of it. But I think if I had the full-on setup, and I think they said something about sending that to me eventually, I think it would do great for even small automotive projects, touch-up jobs, stuff like that, guys. So I see a lot of potential in this product. It is currently on Kickstarter. Any information the company gives me, I'll have down in the descriptions for it, so you can go check it out and give it a look for yourself. But shout out to Tilswall for sending this Hornet out. A very cool product. You know, it's just going to be one of those things, guys. I'd love to see more from them. They have sent me out quite a few things here lately that we're going to be showcasing on the channel. But this little product right here is very cool. Like I said, lightest and smallest HVLP electric spray gun in the world. So, but you know what, guys? As always, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys. Give me your thoughts and opinions in the comments. What do you think of the Tilswall Hornet? This little crackerjack little firecracker of a spray gun. You know, it's a very cool product, and yeah, that's about all I can say about it. Definitely, you know, if you found this informational, this video fun, and you know, you enjoy crazy stuff like this, we're all the time doing crazy paint jobs, spray outs, tutorials on this channel. You just never know what I'm going to show up with next, guys. So you definitely want to make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell beside it. It'll notify you every time a new episode drops. As far as the eye candy pearl I used today, that blue orchid, guys, it's a really pretty blue, kind of a deeper blue. You can add more coats and get it to go lighter like it is in powder form, but I kind of went for a little bit of a midnight blue effect today, just, you know, just trying it out and tried this gun out. And if you're interested in it, I'll have links down in the description to that. I'm an affiliate, so if you use my code WALLSHOP at checkout, you'll get a discount to go to help out the channel, and it's a win-win for everybody. But I really appreciate you guys tremendously for watching today. Shout out to Tilswall for sending the Hornet out. And as always, guys, I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.